This is tutorial 6-5, and in this tutorial we're going to be learning how to spatially adjust features. We're going to be adding two TIFF files here, and these TIFF files have coordinate systems already assigned to them. We're going to go into the property tables of each one and change in the display tab. We're going to change the transparency to 20%. As you can see, that made this one a little bit lighter. We're going to do the same with the other and click OK. With that done, we're going to add another shapefile. This one was originally a CAD feature that was converted. Now you see nothing appeared on the map, so we're going to go to full extent. This little dot over here is the shapefile that we added. This little dot here is the two pictures. Just zoom in real quick. That's the one. Go back out, and that's the other. Now what we're going to have to be learning to do is how to get this all the way over here. And we're going to do that by going to editor, and we're going to start editing. We're going to choose HBH. We're going to choose the edit tool, click out here to get rid of that, and we're going to create a box around the building lines. And once this little symbol appears, the four arrows, we're going to click and hold, and we're going to drag it over the picture. And once that's done, we can zoom in. As you can see, the building is way bigger than the building on the map, which is right here. So I'm just going to place it closer to the building. And it's also oriented in the wrong direction. Okay. So the first thing we're going to be doing is rotating the building so that it's in the right direction. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make it a little bit thicker so it's easier to see, and change the color to red. There, it sticks out much better. So we're going to click on it so it's highlighted, and we're going to choose this rotate tool. When that's selected, you click on one of the corners, hold it down, and you just rotate it. And right about there. With that done, we're going to be using the spatial adjustment tool. So we're going to go to editor, more editing tools. I already had a selected, so we'll go in and select it again. Select this, and it's right here. This is what it looks like. So what we're going to be doing is go to spatial adjustment. We want adjustment methods. We want this one selected, transformation similarity. With that, we're going to be using this tool right here, which is the new displacement link. So we're going to click on that. Then you click on this corner, and then you click on the corresponding corner of the building in the picture. And you continue to do that with these four top corners and the four corners on the bottom. Now this can be kind of tedious in some instances. If you're ever working on a project, it might be easier to create a line feature and just draw the outline of the building. But in some cases they don't want that. There might be attributes associated with the lines that they want. So rather than recreate all those, we do this. Now I'm going to purposely make an error so I can just show you how to get rid of it. So I'm going to click one here and put it there. Okay, so when we do this, we want to click on the select elements. We want to click on the one that we want. As you see, if we click on it, it kind of turns highlighted with a dot. And we want to go to this one, modified link. And we can use that to click and drag the line wherever we want. So I'm just going to get rid of this now. And I can do that just by hitting the delete button. Now, if you wanted to, using that modified button, we can zoom in really close. And selecting one of the lines, we can use the modify, and we can just drag it closer. See, this one's in the street, so we just want to click on that one, use the modifier, and bring it closer in. And that's good enough right here. I'm going to go back to the last extent, and with that done, we're going to go up to spatial adjustment, and we're going to this right here, adjust. And as you can see, it shrunk down to the building. We're going to zoom in closer and just see how closely we got it. And it worked fairly well. It's not going to be exact, but it's a good representation. With that done, that concludes assignment or tutorial 6-5.